So, what's news for today? Oh my god, ads again. Anyway, that's a funny ads. Great day, I'm Axis from LA. So from this simple cube, let's transform it into a flat rectangle that represents the TV monitor. At the front face, let's insert another face to represent as our TV screen. Hotkey for insert is letter I. Now extrude the back face backward to have our monitor's head back. Now for the stand, that's a default plane. Stretch into rectangle, beveled all corners. Added a thickness modifier. Insert the face and grate hole, and that's our stand pad. Now let's add another cube as our stand's leg. Now, by the help of Boolean tools, let's make backhead holes or ventilations. These audio and video jacks are also made possible by Boolean tools. Now we're officially adding materials to our TV head and also for these 3 back jacks. Now let's add metallic materials to our TV stand. How easy was that? Now it's time to play with lighting setup. I added a point light at the back to highlight our TV. This time I added area light placed at the front right side for about 45 degrees to highlight the edge of our subject. I copied it and placed at the left side, and changed the color to something like bluish. I like playing with lights because it's super handy and fun. So take time to play with colors you want until you're good. And this is exciting because we're turning on the TV. Yeah, let's add video clip on it. Wow, did you just see that? That's awesome. It's turning on with a good signal. And I'm so excited to watch news today. And now let's do some finalizations for the lightings and the whole setup, and we're good. And that's awesome. Now let's test if the movie's working. And yeah, our movie clip is working. Our Surface 360 News is working, and now it's turning into TV ads, which is our mature rice cooker. Yeah, and stay tuned for that because that's our next video for next week. And not just that, because we have a lot of videos are coming. So hit that subscribe button below and be updated for our new videos weekly. We have hundreds of videos that make you entertained. So subscribe now and see you weekly. Okay, let's save an extra file for this for an extra safety precautions. And aside from control save, we need to practice that as a good habit. Now here is my render output after several minutes of testing, and it works good. I hope you enjoyed this simple video. Our TV is working. Thanks for watching. There are lots of videos are coming. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Just comment below and I'll try to reach you every day.